Okay, I'm just going to show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2015 Audi S4. So from any screen, you've got nav there, radio, media and telephone, or where's the menu? If we're on menu, you can get to it like so by just going to navigation, but easiest way, of course, navigation. That's on navigation. Destination is in the bottom left, settings bottom right. So it's destination we want, the bottom left, that corresponds to this button here. Click on destination. Address, so we click yes, that's address we want. And then you've got start route guidance. It's already got our postcode in here, but we navigate to town or postcode, click the center of the rotary control, and then we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston, PR. We need numbers now. Over in the bottom right hand corner you've got 0 to 9. That's that button. So click 0 to 9 and then we go to 5. Select 5, 4. So it's PR5, 4, E. It went back to the alphabet on its own automatically. PR5, 4. And then you click OK. It's not giving me time to click OK. It's just defaulted to yes. It's saying add street. I don't want to add a street, but if you did, it would already be on add street. Just turn the rotary control to start route guidance. Click start route guidance.
Your route is being calculated.
That's it. That's how you set the sat nav. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.